But to get that customer trust, we need this third support. We need that local support and the local knowledge. End users won't accept a new technology until somebody they know trusts it. And that somebody that they know is more often than not the distribution partner. Dealers like SciTech. When a local contact trusts you and says, "Hey, I know this is going to work in your application," that opens doors. That's what really sort of moves these products. And we understand that we can't bring these products to market without the support of the distribution network. Another thing that is going to help adoption is sustainability and talking about sustainability. And we really look at sustainability in kind of two main groups. One is people and the other is planet. We all know that we're facing labor shortages. We all know that we're facing sort of changing demographics in the world. The population's growing, but the number of people that are coming up and wanting to do the work or that are available to do the work for it isn't necessarily growing at the same rate. And so we need to figure out how to do more with less. And that's what autonomy is all about. Autonomy is about finding precision, doing more with less, turning a new employee, a new operator into an expert operator very quickly because they've got that intelligent system backing them up. And maybe down the road, even a full autonomy system that will meet those goals and meet those needs. On the planet side, of course, whenever we improve efficiency, we reduce emissions. When we introduce things like there was a number out there today when we introduced steering control on the soil compactor, we reduced fuel use 25%, which is huge, and that speaks directly to carbon emissions, reduced carbon emissions. When we do things like variable rate spraying, we reduce the amount of pesticides we put in the ground and herbicides. We don't want to put too much herbicides in the ground because that gets into the groundwater or into surface water. So any chance we can reduce that kind of input use, the better. A big one right now is nitrous oxides and the use of fertilizers. Anything that we can do to reduce the fertilizer and only put fertilizer where it's needed reduces the amount of nitrous oxides emitted, which is another greenhouse gas that's getting a lot of attention these days. So sustainability is another thing that companies want, and autonomy can help them achieve.